So this is the starter kit for Lashify. It's called the control kit. I wanted to show you everything that it comes with because I've had a lot of questions about the products. So it comes in this nice plastic case, and this is what I keep everything in. And so it's got a nice mirror here. It comes with 2 sets of gossamers. You can pick between the A, B, and C. It comes with Whisper Light Bond, dual end, white and black. And then it comes with your tool, which is the wand. And it comes with this, which is glass. And so I'll explain what each item is. So this here is the bond. It's essentially your glue. So it's dual end, so here's the white end, and then this side is black. So I guess if you have lighter hair, you might use the white end. This is the black end. And so it's like a mascara tip. And so this is your glue to adhere the lashes to your eyelashes, to your own lashes. This here is called glass, and it is basically, it's a waterproof coating that you can put on after, and it's just like helps the lashes become more water resistant. This is the tool. It's called the wand, and the company has patented this shape because this curve right here is supposed to fit your eye, and this is supposed to be able to go over the bridge of your nose so that you don't have to switch hands and use it like this. You could just go over your nose like this. And so this is to clamp down on the lashes, and it's called fusing. So once you have all your gossamers on your lashes, this is really the trick here, is you fuse your own lashes together with the gossamer lashes. And so also we have these, which are the wandums. So it's kind of a funny name, but they go on here. And I usually don't use this tool without the wandums because the lashes tend to stick, and then they won't stay on your lash because they want to stick to the wand. But this is basically always on here for me. So I don't recommend purchasing each item separately because it becomes a little bit more expensive. And this, if you buy the starter kit, it kind of gives you an idea of what other products you might need. So I broke down the cost so that you can know that you're saving a little bit of money if you get the control kit. So the control kit itself is $145. And then if you were to get everything separate, it would break down like this. 2 sets of lashes costs approximately $40 to $50. Depending on what style you get, they're $20 to $25 each. So that's, say, $40 at the lowest. This tool here itself is $65. So this is definitely the most expensive part about Lashify, but this tool is really nice and sturdy. And then this is the Whisper Light, the dual end. So if you get this on its own, it has a different tip for the white Whisper Light. So this right here would be a little, just a little spongy tip. And so this on its own is $28. And then the glass on its own is $21. So altogether, the lashes, the 2 sets of lashes, the Whisper Light, the glass, and the wand all together would be $154. So you're already saving $9 right there with the control kit, and then you also get the case. So if you purchase the item separately, you obviously don't get this case, which I really use. I bring this case everywhere. And then Also, the Wandums, I don't know how much these cost, but you can redeem them with points because Lashify has a point system. You earn points and stuff. You can redeem them for I think 100 points. So I think you get like 1 point per dollar spent. So you have to spend $100 before you can get these for free. So it comes in the control kit, so I definitely recommend getting the control kit. And for reference, here's the lashes that I'm wearing today. I have F10s in the inner corners, and then I have E12, E12, E14, E12. So that's what I'm wearing right now. So that's the Lashify control kit, broken down, since I've had a lot of questions about it. Let me know if you have any questions. If you think you want to try Lashify, I have a $20 coupon code in the description below.